Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I will be doing a press-on nail design using Rosalind gel polishes. So let's get right into this video. Rosalind was kind enough to send me some gel polishes to try out. There are 6 mini gel polishes and they are 7 milliliters. I will be swatching the gel polishes for y'all to see. Most of them were sheer and needed 2 coats or 3 coats to reach full opacity. The only color that needed 1 coat was this pink gel polish right here. Regardless of that, all of the gel polishes were so pretty. Rosalind also gave me a discount code that will be valid until November. The discount code will be listed below with a link. So the gel polishes I will be using today are the black and white, and I'll also be using Melody Susie base and top coat. I've already buffed the nails. Now I'm using the base coat on all of the nails. And before curing, I'm going to be applying some gold foils to the pinky and thumbnail. Then I cured for 30 seconds. This nail was inspired by a picture I saw on Pinterest. Moving on, I applied the black gel polish in a color block style and cured for 30 seconds. This color also needed 3 coats to reach full opacity, but I only showed 2 coats. Then using my top coat, I applied it to the nail, and this black bleeds a lot because while using the top coat it ended up getting on the clear area of the nail, so I had to remove it. Then I placed some nail foils and gold butterflies on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. These butterflies don't lay flat, so I should have applied them closer to the center of the nail so there wouldn't be any poking out on the sides. So I will be showing you what I did to rectify this issue. Now on this nail, I'm using the black gel polish on the whole nail, and it needed 3 coats to reach full opacity. I cured for 30 seconds each time. Next, I'm using the white gel polish on this nail, and it also required 2 to 3 coats. So I applied the top coat to the black nail. And before curing, I placed some white dots with the gel polish. And swirled it to get the marble look. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Next, I did the same for my white nail using the black gel polish. The top coat had some of the black gel polish on it, so I had to use my Born Pretty top coat instead. Then I top coated all of the nails except the middle nail and cured for 30 seconds. So as I said before, I should have applied the butterflies more to the center of the nail because these glitters never lay flat. So a tiny piece was poking out at the side and even one on the top of the nail as well. It really wasn't laying that flat. So I decided to apply some IBD hard gel to encapsulate the butterflies, not too much, just enough to encapsulate the nail. So I did that, and the black was still bleeding a bit, but I made sure to clean up, and then I cured for 30 seconds. So I used some rubbing alcohol to remove the sticky layer off camera, and the nail was smooth at the top, but on the side right there it still had a little piece poking out, and I did not want to apply any more of the IBD gel to make the nail too bulky. So I decided to file off the piece that was poking out, and that was a huge mistake. So I had to remove the butterfly glitter. Next, I applied another butterfly glitter to the nail using the Melody Susie base coat. I made sure and placed the glitter in another direction so it wouldn't be poking out, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I encapsulated the nail again and cured for 30 seconds. So I had to file the nail because it got bulky. So I'm just filing and hoping that I do not remove any of the glitters or foils. Thankfully I didn't. So these are my press-on nails. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And I also applied it to my nails using the adhesive tabs that I purchased on Amazon. This only lasted like a day and then I removed it. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.